income provides a source of money that does not require your direct effort to generate. It is an important concept for achieving financial stability, allowing you to make and save money without having to constantly work for it. In this video, we'll be discussing what passive income is, why it is so useful, and how you can start generating some for yourself. We'll go over the different types of passive income opportunities available to people with a variety of budgets and knowledge of investments. I'll also discuss some important things to consider and strategies on making sure you're maximizing your passive income potential. By the end of this video, you should have an understanding of one of the best ways to build wealth. With the right approach, passive income can be secure and help you achieve financial freedom much sooner than otherwise possible. So what is passive income? Passive income is any kind of income that requires minimal effort to maintain and generate. It can come from a number of investments as dividends, rental properties, and interest earned from saving accounts, or from activities such as setting up a business that runs on autopilot or creating content once and earning royalties over time. Here are the top 5 most popular ways to earn passive income. License your photo. Licensing photos is an easy and effective way to create passive income. Rather than trying to drum up demand for a new product regularly, photographers can simply upload high-quality images they have already taken and make them available for purchase in the licensing marketplace. Photos that are chosen by customers can then be sold multiple times, providing income with limited effort required from the photographer. In addition, there are several licensing options available for those who want to maintain control over how their photos are used, such as exclusive or non-exclusive licenses, making photo licensing a great flexible option for passive income. However, starting to license your photo for passive income is certainly not an overnight success. It does, however, require a willingness to put yourself out there. Starting by taking the best quality pictures you can with the resources you have and raising your profile on social media platforms such as Instagram and Twitter. Consider creating a portfolio website showcasing your work as well to professionalize yourself even further. Once you have a reasonable following, seek out stock photography platforms that accept submissions for licensing. They provide potentially lucrative revenue when people download your photo for their own projects such as brochures or websites. With effective promotion and strategic availability of your art, you can make passive income through licenses that suit both you and the licensee. Build a niche website or blog. Building a niche website or blog can also be an excellent way to earn passive income. A niche site is a targeted website that tailors to a specific area of interest, such as gardening, travel, DIY projects, or anything else you'd like to explore. To start one, you need to determine what topic or niche will be, and then create content around it. Writing articles and displaying relevant ads on your site can generate extra revenue and provide you with an ongoing source of income over time, all without ever needing to leave your house. Additionally, occasionally updating your content can help improve the performance of your website in order to maintain users who already follow it. With a commitment to building quality content and understanding basic search engine optimization techniques, creating a successful niche website or blog is definitely achievable. Vending machine. Vending machines are one of a few great ways to make passive income. All that is needed to get started is the successful purchasing of a quality vending machine and product inventory. Once properly installed, the only required effort involves regularly refilling the inventory and cleaning the machine. Having a convenient source of goods available to customers can greatly enhance their experience while providing additional revenue. Not only do vending machines provide income through direct sales, but they may also lead to further opportunities, such as advertising partnerships. With minimal effort, owning and maintaining a vending machine can be a viable and smart way of growing an income stream. You will need a suitable place for the machine, and depending on your location, you may have to obtain licensing and permits before you place it for commercial use. Along with research about the feasibility of such a business in your region, be sure to consider factors like demand for items and accessibility of the machines in public or private locations. As vending machines require little maintenance, providing stock regularly is key in profiting from the venture. One location that is normally profitable is the library or seating areas on a campus. This is because of the high foot traffic in those areas, and people tend to snack when they are studying. Renting out an extra room on Airbnb. If you have a spare bedroom in your place and you don't mind the company of other people, then why not rent it out on Airbnb to make some extra income? It's one of the simplest passive income sources out there. Once you've made all the necessary preparations, you just have to sit back, relax, and wait for your bookings to start rolling in. What's even better is that most rentals, you'll get paid upfront before the stay even begins. You don't need to make yourself available on premises during their stay, unlike most rental options. So you don't have to worry about having to be there 24/7. All in all, renting out your extra space through Airbnb can be an excellent money-making venture with little effort or time investment required. If you want to start renting out a spare bedroom in your home on Airbnb, the first step is to prepare your rental space. You will want to make sure it's clean and tidy, has basic amenities such as heating, hot water, and Wi-Fi, and that all safety standards are met. It's also worth considering going to extra mile with extras like providing small items such as towels, toiletries, or offering breakfast if you're able. Once your space is ready for guests, create an amazing listing description that highlights why visitors should stay with you. Don't forget photos. Potential tenants will be interested in seeing exactly what they'll be getting. Finally, set a competitive price for your rental. Last but not least, government bonds. Government bonds are an attractive option for investors looking to generate a steady income. They are a type of loan that is made by the government, and in exchange for loaning the money, bondholders receive interest payments over the life of the bond. Bonds can range from short-term, typically lasting 3 months, up to long-term with maturities anywhere from 2 to 30 years or longer. The amount of interest earned depends on the terms that was agreed upon when purchasing the bond. For those who prefer deposits their money into savings accounts, government bonds may be an ideal choice since they provide higher returns than regular savings accounts and may even be protected from inflation, depending on the country where it is issued. All in all, it's important to remember that no matter which of these passive income ideas you decide to pursue, the key is to be consistent and patient. Building up a steady stream of passive income requires time, effort, and dedication. It may take months or in some cases years before you start seeing any returns. But stick with a plan and you will reap the rewards in the future. If you found this video useful, please share it with your friends. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more stuff like this, and leave a comment as to what video you would like me to do next. Bye bye!